Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I have an unboxing to show you guys. I ordered this off of Amazon. Yes, off of Amazon. And this item here that I'm about to show you guys, it was $29.99. And the name of this dish rack, it is called Glotoch Dish Drying Rack. It is a 2-tier dish rack with utensil holder, cup holder, and dish drainer for kitchen countertop. Plated chrome dish dryer silver, and it is a 16.5 by 9 by 14 inches. And that is an empty box that I am showing you. And now I am getting ready to assemble it. And you guys, at first it was very complicated, and you will see how I am going to have a hard time trying to figure out how to, put it together. It does come with a paper here to where it'll show you how to assemble it, but it doesn't have anything that you can read. It's just a picture that shows you how to assemble it, but still in the beginning it is complicated, so you pretty much got to figure it out, and once you figure it out it becomes easy. So I am putting aside the dish tray here, and later on in the video you will notice that it's 2 of the trays, and I didn't realize that, so later on I had to take it apart. It was 2 of them. So for the bottom, one for the bottom and one for the top. So I didn't realize that until the end. So those are the sides. So here I am, trying to figure it out, how it goes. Looking at my paper, trying to figure it out, y'all. So bear with me. I'm going to get it together. So if you decide to order one of these, then you will know what I'm talking about when you get ready to assemble it. Very complicated at first, and then again it will become easy to assemble. It has no screws. You don't have to worry about screws or anything. So right now I'm hooking the sides up. So that's the way it's supposed to go. I'm hooking it up. It's like a little slot to where you just slide the sides up on. So I'm showing you here up to the top how it's supposed to go. Yes, you notice I keep looking at my paper, trying to get it together, and I will. Okay, I'm showing you here, that is the slot where I have to slide the sides up on. It looks complicated, but trust me, it is easy to assemble. There you go. And I'm going to go ahead and assemble the top. You're going to do the top the same way you did the bottom. And you're going to push the top down on each side. Y'all tell me, this is easy. At first, like I keep saying, it looked very complicated, but once you get it together, I'm like, this is easy to put together. And y'all, that tray right there that I'm putting at the bottom is 2 of them. And I didn't realize that in the beginning. So that I have in my hand, it is a utensil holder. You can place on either side. It doesn't matter what side you place it on. And at this point, I am looking for my cup holder. And I remember in the beginning, I placed it on the other side. So that is the utensil holder, which I did place it on the other side. So now I'm looking for my cup holder. Looking in the box and see if it was in there. I noticed something is missing, yes, but I will find it. So those are the feet, the little plastic feet that goes up under each of the legs of the dish rack so that it won't scar up your kitchen countertops. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And like I said, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you like what you see, please go ahead and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos. And also come back because you never know what I may have next for you guys. All right. But yes, right now I'm showing you all that I did assemble it. But I am missing the cup holder, which I am going to find in a few minutes. That is the utensil holder. And right there is supposed to be the cup holder side, which I am going to place on there in a few minutes. And the dishes and the cups goes right here at the bottom, and the dishes on top. So I found my cup holder. Yes, found my cup holder. I had it on the other side of the kitchen cabinet. So I'm going to place it on there. Okay. I'm just making sure that I have it in the right slot. That's all. And here, I'm not quite done because, like I said at the bottom, the dish tray is 2 of them. So right now I am thinking that I am complete, but let me go ahead and show you guys a picture of how it's supposed to be. But right now I'm going to show you guys how it's supposed to look on my drying mat. So I'm going to place my dish rack on my drying mat. That's the way it's looking right now. And I'm going to place a picture, you guys, and show you guys how it looks with the bottom tray on top as well. So right now, I am going to place a cup here on the cup holder, glass holder. That's what it's looking like. And the dish rack, it is very sturdy, you guys. And on the other side, I'm going to place a few utensils over in the utensil holder. And I am going to place the cup at the bottom of the rack also, just to give you an idea how it looks. And also, I'm going to place a plate right on top. So you guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. Come back, because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Please subscribe if you have not already, and be sure to click the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos. Be blessed, y'all. Good night.